Hello friends, welcome back to Industry Learning, and today in this session basically I'm going to continue NX tutorial from where I have left in last session. So basically in today's session I will talk about some basic features of NX, as well as we will learn about the user interface of NX software. So if I talk about the main concept in CAD concern, then you can construct a 3D parts as a CAD in NX software, and then you can generate 2D drawings with the help of that 3D parts what you have drawn, and then you can make the assembly also with those parts. So we will see in further sessions all these one by one. And as I already told that NX is feature based, so features are if I explain this, then feature are shapes that are combined to build a part. If we make two or three parts and that are in different shapes, and if we combine this and make some assembly or part or whatever, then that is called feature based. And you can modify also these shapes individually, and the impact will go on the main assembly or main parts, like that. As well as most of the features are sketch based, like a sketch. If I talk about an sketch, then sketch is a 2D profile and can be extruded, revolved, or swept along a path to construct a feature. So I think you have got it. And next, the one of the most important thing, that NX is a parametric in nature. So let me explain what is parametric. So basically, you can specify standard parameters between the element of the part, and changing these parameters can change the size and shape of the part. So in coming session, we will see about this parametric nature and all with some live example. But as our today's session are based on user interface, so I will just talk about all these interface what you are seeing here. So basically, the first one that is located on top left corner, that is here, and this is called quick access toolbar. Whatever copy, save, and all available here, that comes under quick access toolbar. The next layer that you can see here, let me highlight this. This is called tab, like home tab, assemblies tab, curve tab, surface tab, analysis tab, view tabs, like that. And under each tabs, like there is ribbons. You can, if I click on home, then you can see it's ribbons are open here. Let me highlight this also, like all these that are available, that's called ribbon. And if I click on assembly, that you can see another ribbons. You can see, if I click on curve tab, then another ribbons are there, surface tab, then another, means these ribbons and all further the options for tabs. So you saw about quick access toolbar, then tabs, then ribbons. And next, if I talk about this one, let me highlight below this here, then this is called top border bar. Basically here is like some sort of customized things we can keep here, and this is called top border bar. And later one more option is there, that is you can see here, this is in you saw all these was horizontally, and here we can see one vertical column is there. And this is like this is called resources bar, means this contains all the navigator windows such as assembly navigator, constraint navigator, part navigator, and so on. We will see about all these things while doing, when we will make parts, models, or crash tools. Then we will see the each function of each one. But now the basic interface I am going to introduce you. So that's all. This was the basic introduction of NX user interface, and in next session we will start drawing, like how to choose plan X, Y, Z, and how to start make some models or parts that we will start with live example, and we will see about some shortcuts key, how mouse working, like what is the function of middle click, right click, left click, pan and zoom, means each thing, like how to rotate, all these things we will learn in coming sessions. Don't miss our coming session. That is most important than all these two. These two was basically just an introductory sessions. That our coming sessions will be as a main session, and that will continue to teach you like how to make models, parts, or whatever in Annex. And yeah, this introductory session was also useful. Means if you don't know, if you are totally basic or totally new to Annex, means you must know all these things. Otherwise, you will not be able to know like what, how, from where I am getting a command and all. Like why, if I am talking about that tab, I'm talking about ribbon, I'm talking about resources bar, like from where I'm getting these things and all, then you will not be able to understand. So for that purpose, you that this part 1 and part 2 that I have introduced, you must know about this. So that's all for today, and just wait for our next session. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to hit like this if you think this is useful. That's all. Thank you.